The next step, I'm going to share a setting I have that goes to the Plex media libraries and changes all files it finds there to give permission to everyone to do whatever they want, effectively to delete. I transfer files from my Windows and Ubuntu machines into the Plex media libraries, and as I've shared already, I've seen it, I delete it. This setting I'm sharing allows Plex to delete. If you don't do it, you will notice that you can't delete content you transfer as I do. Let's go over the process. Here I have the site, which is a crontab generator. Crontab is a scheduler, and I have a setting that every 30 minutes it executes the following command, which is changing permissions recursively for everyone, giving them read-write on Plex Media Library, and since it's recursing, it goes all the way down. I want to mute execution, and when I generate the crontab line, I get this line. I'm going to take that line and put it in the task scheduler into crontab. First time use, it tells you which one do you want. I use nano, so I'm going to go with that. And here I have the file, and all I have to do is paste the line I copied. I'm going to save this file